At least in terms of how you are, I feel Kangna speaks her heart out just the way you are, which is so beautiful.
I really don't know.
Your Bollywood friends में से कौन से वो शख्स थे जिन्होंने आपको सबसे ज्यादा मोटिवेट किया?
Honestly, मैं ज़्यादा किसी से connected नहीं थी. My mom, my father, my brother, brother's wife to an extent, and few family friends and few friends जो कि मैं इनसे पहले कभी नहीं मिली थी. जैसे कि डॉक्टर नारायण नायडू आए मेरे लाइफ में, डॉक्टर जगत नरूला आए मेरे लाइफ में, और 3-4 अदर people who came and helped me during that whole process. बस वही लोग थे मेरे साथ, और कोई ज़्यादा नहीं.
इनफैक्ट देखा जाए तो नाउ जहाँ पे भी आप जाते हैं आपको देख के ही आदमी का सीना चौड़ा हो जाता है कि मनीषा जी आ गई हैं एंड वी फील सो गुड. बट व्हेन यू लुक बैक, अब जब आप फिल्मों में काम करती हैं, डू यू फील दैट फेज टॉट यू मोर अबाउट लाइफ, वेयर यू फील कि फिल्म में आए जाए लाइफ इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट?
Absolutely. Because life is the most important thing, and it's the biggest gift of our life and of anything beyond anything else, and we need to really value that, and how to make the life beautiful should be our prime most important focus on. If work enhances our life, work is really good, but if work is taking away from the happiness and joys, then I would really question that, that each one of us have to decide for ourselves. We need to discover what makes us, motivates us, what gives us joy, what compels us to be happy and get up in the morning and say, life, I'm ready to live it.
बट ऐसा कभी हुआ जब आप फील करी थी यार, why aren't my Bollywood friends in touch with me? I worked so hard with them, I've lived moments with them. Did you feel like that kabhi?
Never, because everybody out here has come with the sole purpose of succeeding and focus about their career and work, and so everybody is trying to do their best in their space. So why should I expect anything from the industry? Or I didn't. And secondly, I was very closed because I was only focused about healing, and I had no brain space to even think कि कौन क्या कह रहा है, कौन क्यों नहीं कर रहा है, कौन क्या कर. I just want to get healthy, and that's it. My world ended there.
And you're so healthy and glowing once again, and I wish you zindagi bhar you always look like a 25-year-old.
Wow.
You had a very interesting comment जो बहुत साल पहले आपने कहा था, I can't see myself changing nappies and cooking dinner for too long. I'm too independent to live off a man's earnings. Do you still believe in that?
I wish I could live off somebody's money. I think it's a good luxury.
Why not? Yeah.
Yeah. ये मैंने अपने आप को के ऊपर क्यों थोप दिया मालूम नहीं. I'm just kidding.
No, but do you feel you can still change nappies and cook dinner and stuff like that?
I cook dinner anyways because I love food, and I love cooking, and I hope to change nappies someday. Yeah.
अरे one thing we'll do, I will cook healthy food for you. हाँ?
Wow. Okay.
ठीक है. देखिए मैंने सुमनी में डेट भी फिक्स कर लिया मनीषा जी के साथ. कितना नॉटी हूँ. That was the agenda of this interview. Do you accept it or not?
Let me think about it.
देखो हर लड़की ये कहती है, this is called पत्ता कटोफाइंग, right? Your film is about friendship, love, life. Your closest friend from the industry outside, who's that?
Basically, I'm a loner, and I have a lot of acquaintance, and I have few friends. Some are from films and some are not from films, and I don't know if they want to be named, but I have few very good friends.
Are you looking for love or waiting for love or willing to be acceptful of love?
At this point of time, whichever space I'm in, I don't want to shake that boat. So I'm single, and I am very happy to be single.
No, but you're saying you just want to focus on your career right now.
Stop pulling my leg.
No, seriously, Baba. Dil se. But you're saying right now you just want to focus on life and inspiring people?
Yes, absolutely.
Now, the best phase of your life, what was that?
The best phase of my life is now, I think. When I realize the value of life, and I am living life with full heart.
एक महिला को जो इंडस्ट्री में जिसको आप देखते कहती है यार she has my spirit, yeah. What is that? Who is that?
I really don't know. People do this, but I don't know anybody close enough to say that.
at least in terms of how you are, I feel Kangna speaks her heart out just the way you are, which is so beautiful.
Well, Kangna is a good actor, but I don't know her personally that well to comment on this. Yeah.
Do you read Bollywood gossip? वैसे पढ़ती हैं कि नहीं आप अखबारों में कि नहीं? Or are you cut away from that?
I have cut away from that, so I don't know. But you can tell me.
अच्छा नहीं, मैं कहाँ Bollywood gossip यार. But have you deliberately cut off from that? Do you think it gets on to you? क्या?
No, it's good spice. It's good to spice, but it's just that I'm a little busy with my life, which is going on, and too much of demands on my time, so I don't get to know about the gossips.
Any regrets at any point of time?
Lots of regrets. I do wish I had done things better. I do wish I had not done certain things. I know life is filled with regrets, but it's okay. It's okay.
When you say, was it because आप कहती है क्योंकि आप young थी इसी वजह से you feel you would have been better if someone guided you saying Manisha ऐसा strategy होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए?
No, I feel all of us as a human being, everyone, each and every one of us will have certain regrets because life is not perfect. We always falter, we do fall, we do wrong decisions. And people say no regrets, which is fine, but I feel it's good to be honest and say yes, I did some wrong and I do have regrets, and that's okay because I'm human being.
Of course. और जाने से पहले one crazy rumor you heard about yourself, you said अरे बाबा ये कहाँ से आया, वो कौन सा था, अभी या उस जमाने में?
उस ज़माने में था. The funniest thing was I was shooting in one of the studios and I had no idea what the news had come out. And when I walked out of the studios to go to my makeup room, there were people who were following me. And I was like, why are they following me? So I like 3-4 बार पलट के मैं देखे, मेरे को विश्वास नहीं है ये क्यों follow कर रहे हैं. So बाद में पता चलता there was a newspaper article saying that Manisha Koirala is dead.
Oh God.
So that was a publicity of one of the film, and I mean, luckily for me that my parents were in Bombay with me and they had seen their daughter go to the studio in the morning. So
But when was this? During which phase?
forget it.
जो भी था, she's hale, hearty, and she's going to live for at least 500 years more. 500 चलेगा ना?
Oops, no.
अरे 400 साल?
नहीं
अरे 300 साल?
No.
All I want to say is you're lovely the way you are. You radiate warmth. आप हमेशा खुश रहिए. और एक छोटी सी एडवाइस है, अगर कोई चारमार आ जाए, कम से कम देख तो लेना उसको, हाँ?
Sure.
इस साइड मुझे भी तो देखो ना. चारमार नहीं हो तब भी.
Oh, stop pulling my leg.
I love you.
Thank you.
Bye guys.